Well, how's this for a Monday miracle moment? Do you see this bandaged rhodey branch that had gotten pulled off by the wind? Not completely disconnected, but hanging on by a few membrane threads. So I did my trick that I found works, and you simply get out the masking tape, put it into position, splint it up, and these guys bloomed. Here are the blooms from that branchlet. And then I have another one that got wonked down here, and so I'm going to do that as well. Put a splint on that. This works, folks. Magic in motion.